And we're back. What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while since the video. I think 2 months actually. Been kind of not buying as much cards, but update came out, so I had to. Got a little 2025 Topps update. Exclusive holiday base card parallels, which I think is new to update series. And here's the other side of the box. Pete Crow Armstrong. Not bad. Video brought to you by, of course, Bush. Alright, let's dive into this bad boy. I had this for a few days, been wanting to do this video, but getting ready for the old OSU Michigan game. Having people over, so getting the man cave ready for that. Gonna be a good time. Hopefully Ohio State can break the losing streak. A little nervous for it, but it's okay. It's okay. All right. 84 cards. $12 cards per pack. Put that over here, the cool side up here. Alright, get into these bad boys. I haven't seen the parallels look like, so I'm kind of curious to see. I haven't watched too much videos on them. Alright. Yeah, about the same looking as they've been all year. Nothing crazy. Simmons, Verlander. JC, yep. Talkman, Mangan, Jacques. Got our backwards cards here. We got Jazz, Scooble. Oh, nice. That's a little refractor there. Not numbered. And Schwarber. All-Star game. That's right, the All-Star game ones. I do like those. That's pretty cool. Ooh. I'll be throwing packs around here now. I'm kind of over these cards though. Kind of one per pack is a little too much. Okay, where are we going here? I see a parallel already. Oh, that's a backwards card. That's why it's backwards. All right, so we got Wilds rookie. Not numbered. Fernando. Strider. Ahmed Rosario. Steele. Koch. Chris Bubic. TJ. Got our rookies. Nice. Dylan Cruz. And the one's Butler. That's cool. Cruz rookie there. Definitely a lot of inserts. It's pretty cool. Always get the backward card away. Chris Paddock. Kitchen. Paredes. Jonathan India. Janikowski. Eric Yang. So, Brandon Young. What we got here? So we got Campbell. Ooh, that is cool. Let him eat. That's pretty cool. Veteran combo. Glass now and Snell. Imagine if that was Otani Yamamoto. That's alright. That's alright. Nice McCutcheon. That's not a bad card. Yep, another backwards one here. Let's look like Ghost one. I was thinking Holiday. But okay. That works too. Not numbered. We got Birdie, Alvarez, Cal Quantrill, Dustin May. A lot of rookies here. Nice. Ooh. Let's turn this bad boy over. So we got McCutcheon. Fernando Tatis. That's nice. A little refractor there. And Bryce Harper. Bleacher Reachers. That's pretty cool. There's like the old 90s kind of style to it. Nice. Oh, sounds like you need a bush break here in a second. Oh, there he is. There he is. Ohtani. We got Cody, Mervis, Gasper, Clay Holmes, Leiter, Kravitz, Thomas. Yep. Rookie debut. That's right, rookie debut too. Okay. Two of his cards, nice. And Ohtani. That's weird. There's only one backwards card there. We got Simpson. No, we got another backwards one here. The parallel. Fernando? Yep. Tatis walks off Angels. Fabulous first. That's cool. We got Max. The Mets. That's cool. Zuniga and Albies. Colbert. Ooh. Gordon. Ooh, nice Guardians. Ramirez and Kwan. Dual shines in Cleveland. Sure do. Sure do. Phillips. Oh, we got a Julio Rodriguez card here. Oh, nice. That's nice, Julio. Nothing numbered yet. Down to the last pack. Unless I missed a number card, but I don't see anything. Zach Veen. Oh, oh, we're going the wrong way. Oh well. Christian Vasquez. Again. Got a lot of Tatis in here. Stay classy. Callahan. May. Estrada. Tidwell. That's like a 2-card thing. What's going on here? Okay, let's flip them around. We got Zach Veen, Chisholm, and Alex Verdugo. Okay, not bad. Yeah, $25. I mean, typical Topps update. I wish there was more All-Star. I do like the All-Star cards. Parallels or not, but yeah, I do like those. It's kind of cool. Yeah, a lot of parallels. Scooble, Schwarber, Dylan Cruz, yeah, Verdugo, Chisholm. Yeah, not bad. Gotta pick some more up for myself for Christmas. A little Christmas present. We got a month left. Oh, if any of you know too, I'm working on an iPod. That's right, a iPod that I've had for 20 years. The battery died, so I try to be Mr. Fix-It and try to reconnect the battery. You can't really tell, but didn't do such a good job. It only works when it's plugged in. So if anybody has any tips, because I think I got rid of the pads on the iPod. So yeah, I've been working on that for a little bit. But other than that, everyone have a good Thanksgiving and cheers. See ya.